Okay, I know it's kind of dark, but I'm doing a little small taste test between creek water and tap water. So in this here mug, I have some tap water that I got from my sink tap. In this jar here, I got some creek water from nearby creek, and I'm up here in the mountains by Cullowhee, so the creek water is good and clean. Uh, but anyways, and then this is just municipal tap water. So anyways, I'm gonna be having a little taste test and seeing which one tastes better. So let's try this one first. Alright, tastes pretty much like tap water. Take the lid off the jar. Ooh, that's better. That's better. Uh, they're almost the same to tell you the truth, but ah, they're actually really close. For a second, I thought the creek water was like that, significantly better, but they're actually really, really close. But I bet, like, I'd have to look it up, but I bet the tap water is filtered river water, and then the creek is just like further upstream, so it's cleaner, but the the stuff gets filtered out. So there's really not too much of a difference. But yeah, there's not really much of a difference to be noted, but I guess it's just they're both, clean water. Eh. But I think overall the creek water is slightly better, but not by a lot.